Is this you freaking out about homework, finishing assignments and barely getting them in before 11:55 or not at all? Are you stressed and burnt out submitting work you aren't truly proud of? Are you not just failing at certain assignments or time management, but failing at who you want to be? This month, you are going to be different. You are going to succeed. How, you might ask? I'm going to give you 3 easy, actionable pieces of advice that are going to enable you to succeed. Number 1, prepare your space. Number 2, preview the assignments at the beginning of the month and week. Number 3, complete priority tasks first. Starting with numero uno, prep your space. This means prepping a space for yourself where you can focus on just creating and completing homework. I've found the best way to do that is to put your phone and other electronic devices out of your space, except for your computer if you're using that for school. And when I say out of your space, I mean out of the room you're working in. Okay, if you can't do that, just put them out of sight, but out of the room is best. Next, gather anything else you might need or want, such as a drink, equipment, comfy clothes. By removing electronics and gathering everything you need, you reduce distractions and take away reasons to get up. The benefits of prepping? Higher productivity, focus, and more flow state. Not only that, but in each action you take to prep your space, you are making votes for the person you want to be. If you don't prep your space, you will be more distracted and less able to enter into the flow state. By not prepping, you are sabotaging your journey to success. Advice number 2, preview the assignments at the beginning of the month and the beginning of each week. On the first Monday of your class, look over all the assignments for the whole month. Then, at the beginning of each week, look at the specific assignments and when they are due that week. Formulate a plan of action, either in your head or on paper, for what day you will work on these assignments during the week. No more last-minute freakouts. No more late work. No more failure. You are not that person anymore. By reviewing homework early and creating a plan of action, you enable yourself to stay on course and complete all your tasks. If you wait until last minute to look at homework, I promise you will be stressed and unable to enjoy the creative process. By waiting to look at homework, you are only injuring yourself. Now for advice number 3. Complete the most important tasks first. And when I say first, I mean before you do anything else. Go on social media, play a game, sit down and watch a movie. Obviously, if you work first, then you'll be doing the assignment after. But once you get home, focus on completing those tasks first. Do not just leave them until tomorrow. Once you know what you need to complete, I recommend writing up a list of everything, either on paper or your computer. By writing out your tasks for the day and completing the major ones first, you can use your fresh brain to get the important things done. You don't have to stress about not having enough time. Instead, you have the time to create something you can truly be proud of. If you are still set on winging it by the seat of your pants, it may work for a bit. I'll give it to you. But I promise you, you will become stressed and unable to enjoy the creative process. Don't inhibit your creativity because you don't have the time to play with an idea. Plan and give yourself the time. This is your battle. The person who you want to be versus the person who wants to take over, procrastinates, the person who, through their actions, is rooting for you to fail. Here is my challenge to you. This month, prep your space, preview your assignments, and complete the priority tasks first. If you do these 3 actionable tips, you will increase your focus, be able to enjoy the creative process, and most importantly, succeed.